Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website and share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Okay, you can earn 1 Bitcoin from here. Is a faucet reward platform, and you can see this all earning ways this website have and referral too. And you can come here and invest your money. The minimum amount of its investment is 1000 Satoshi and duration is 180 days. Okay, and this is the sheer value of the lot of people have a share in this website. And in here this is the total paid BTC watching advertisement and users registered in this website. And this is 100% free website. You can easily make an amount. Okay, and in the first click the link and come here, register yourself, put your username, email, Bitcoin, wallet address. You can put your direct wallet address or faucet pay. I put my faucet pay Bitcoin wallet address. You can put your faucet pay password and repeat the password, solve the captcha, and click create an account. I have already an account. I just click login to show you how you can start earning. Just click sign in. And now you can see this is my BTC balance. The minimum withdrawal amount is 200 Satoshi. You reach 200 Satoshi, you can withdraw to your faucet pay. For direct wallet address, you need 50,000 Satoshi. Okay, you can click your faucet pay, put your password in here, then just click withdraw. Okay, I put my password and just click withdraw BTC. Withdrawal has been sent. Okay, your payment has been sent. Show me my sent, and you can see nothing in here. In withdrawal is this much withdrawal. Okay, and in last right now I share with you this website pay me or not. Okay guys, now you can see this website send me my Satoshi and sent it to my faucet pay, and the website name is cryptowin.io. This website link available in description. Sorry guys, this is the website. And how you can earn from here. The first way, earn investment. You can invest the amount in here to claim share. You can buy maybe 10 share. Daily pay you this much Satoshi, this much weekly Satoshi, monthly Satoshi, and their fully Satoshi. You invest 10,000 Satoshi and pay you 260,000 more. And the reward is every 50 minutes pay you 2 to 4 Satoshi. This is a reward Satoshi. The next way is a view ads. You can watch advertisement in here. You can watch this advertisement for 60 seconds, pay you 8 Satoshi. This much advertisement available in here. The next way is a lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket, participate in contest. The contest will be launching in 7 hours and 5 minutes, and every ticket is 1 Satoshi. You can buy a ticket, you can buy it, and you can participate in the contest. You can see a lot of people participate in the contest, and maybe you are the winner. Okay, one of these you can win, and that's great deal. The next way earning is multiple BTC, but I didn't recommend you this one for right now because this is earning website. If you want to earn much more, you didn't use this one. If you use this trick to earn much more, the faucet pay have a best trick. Okay, and the next way is an offer wall. You can complete offers, but you need more than 200 click, then you can click the offer walls. Okay, And in here it's completely, you can see this confirmed 7 minutes ago. This website's pay me. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.